How to download any voice message from Facebook Messenger. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So the first thing you have to do is simply open up your web browser and go to facebook.com, or you can just go to messenger.com. Once your Facebook is open, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen, then just go ahead and open it up. Let me just quickly sync my chat history right now, and once you verify your PIN, you should be able to simply sync all of your chats. And I'll just open up the message. Alright, so here I've got the voice message that I want to download. If I tap on the three dots, there is no option to download from here. What you're going to have to do is right click on it and then go to inspect elements. Now all you have to do here is just play the voice message. So just go ahead and play it. And once you play the voice message right here, you'll get a file under the filter tab here. So just go ahead and make sure you are first on the network tab. And once you get to the network tab here, just play the voice message right here. So let me just go ahead and play this. Once you play the voice message, you should get a file here. If not, you can just refresh your page and then try to do it again. So I'll just quickly refresh here, then go to my messages. Then I'll just go ahead and tap on the chat. Now just go ahead and right click on the voice message. Click on inspect. This will open up. Go to the network tab. And right here, start playing the voice message. Once you play the message, you'll get this link right here. Just right click on it and then open a new tab. It's going to be the logo. So here are other stuff as well. So you can try to right click on it and click on opening another tab. And once you get to the voice message, you will have a download button there. And you should be able to download the voice message like that. And once you have found the media here on the network tab, you're going to have to double click on it. And once you double click on the media right here, all you have to do is just go ahead and find the option to download it. And once you double click on that, you should get this pop up on a new tab. Now just tap on the three dots right here. And then you should be able to find the download button. Just tap on the download and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.